Hi, Byron Mathews of Cheyenne Fire and Rescue. Today we're reading the manufacturer's instructions on the proper installation of smoke detectors. With the time change coming up in November, we want to remind everyone this is the time to come in and check your smoke detector to make sure that it has proper batteries, functioning normal, and it's not more than 10 years old. All smoke detectors that are more than 10 years old need to be replaced. With the time change, we change the batteries. We want to make sure that we install the proper type of battery, secure in the back. Once we secure the battery in, we want to make sure and test the smoke detector for proper operation. Once we've done that, we want to install it back in its location, checking once more to make sure that the smoke detector still works. In a home where the smoke detectors are all interconnected, all the detectors should sound when you test one. Smoke detectors like these that are independent station all need to be tested and have the batteries replaced independently. Once again, with the time change, we want to remind everyone to make sure and change the batteries in your smoke detectors. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact Cheyenne Fire Administration at 637-6311.